All right, on today's 30-minute mechanic, my microphone's not on, but it is going to be a momentous day in the shop because that green car right over there, right over there, somewhere, right there, is going to move for the first time under its own power. So, buckle up and let's go. Now, first thing we got to do so we can get this thing out is we got to get it off the jack stands and get some stuff taken off of it. Actually, all we're going to do pretty much is pull it out and then back it into the slot where the 83 is parked. So we'll have to move the 83, but that's no big deal. So first, got to get some stuff out of it. All right, the green car is officially on the ground, and the tires are officially low. Put some of these papers inside the car here. Don't need that wire. This stuff either. Just put it on this table. Gosh. It feels really short right now. It's a weird feeling when you finally put something on the ground and it's like so far down there. That's hood. I'm probably gonna leave the hood there because, like I said, I'm not really driving it. I'm just moving it. Okay. Next thing is I got to move some stuff and get the 83 out of the way. Actually, I got to get the 95 out of the way too. So, hang on. Well, it currently runs like garbage. The cold start tune is terrible. I really need to do some work on that. And but it fired up and drove out of its spot, and then I couldn't get it to stay running long enough to back into its spot. So I pushed it back. Small victories. It's going to do it for 30-minute mechanic today. Small victories. It drove out, sort of, and then drove back very slowly. And then it died, and it died, and it died, and it died. And then I ended up just rolling it back into its spot. But it did move for the first time since I've owned this car. All right. As you can probably tell, I didn't go to, well, I sort of went to Mega Week, race week. I took my wife's Audi because I knew I was probably going to have to leave early to pick up our new puppy. Had to meet the breeder, pick up the dog and everything. So I went to race week for the first day 0 and day 1, hung out there, and then I had to leave and go pick up our cute little pup. So anyways, sometimes life gets in the way, but it was a good time. I enjoyed the time I was there. But anyways, and while I was there, I got to hang out with Scott Liggett, Rebeldryver's Garage. He's one of the guys in my description. You'll see all the links to my friends' channels. Scott's page is in there. Check out what he's up to. And while you're at it, check out everybody else. So, but for now, lost where I was at. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, tell your friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.